In today's video, we wanted to walk through how you can find your Google review link within your Google Business Profile Manager. This is the link you can share with your customers after service and encourage them to leave you a Google review to populate your Google profile. The first step that you'll want to do to access that link is to open up your Google Business Profile Manager. Oftentimes, the easiest way to get at that is to open up Google search window. Just go to google.com. And then in the search bar, type your business name exactly as it appears on your profile. So for us, it's CYBERsprout LLC is our business name. And then hit enter or search. And after you do that, if you have access to the profile is here on the right, you should see your dashboard, your Google Business Profile Manager dashboard right here to the left of the screen. If you're not seeing this, a couple things might be at play. One, you may not have access to your Google Business profile, in which case you'd want to go through the steps of getting access and or verifying, claiming ownership and verifying ownership of your profile. The other thing that may be going into play is you may have logged into multiple Google accounts and you're not currently on the one that has access. The way you can flip between your logged in Google accounts is under your avatar in the upper right corner here. This may look like a photo of you or may just be your initials. You'll go ahead and click on that, and then if you are logged into multiple accounts, you'll see that here on this little drop down. Then you'll see all the other accounts that maybe you have logged into, and you may need to flip between the accounts to get to the one that does have access. The one that's logged in will need to be the one that has access. So if you have a personal Gmail and a work one, your access is under the work. You want to flip over to your work one, and then your profile should appear here on the screen for you. After the profile is appearing here, the profile manager is appearing here, what we're going to look for is the Ask Review button and icon. As of June 2026, when this video is being recorded, that is on the bottom row toward the middle here. Google does change their interface from time to time, so that may change, but ultimately what you're looking for is the Ask Review option here. When you click on that, a pop-up window will appear on the screen, and what we're looking for is this review link here. It happens to be in the middle of the page. This is the link that you can send, and when somebody executes that link, I'll go ahead and enter a new tab, paste that link in and open it so you can see what happens there. They're going to have a pop-up window appear for them. Your business name will be across the top to confirm for them that they're leaving a review for your business. The profile that they're logged in with will appear here right below that, and then it gives them the ability to give a star review, write a little bit about the experience, and then if they choose, add a photo or a video of the service or what you provided here as well. So the minimum that they have that they need to fill in to leave a review is the stars. So you'll see as soon as I gave a star review, the post button became active here. But we would encourage people to give as much detail as possible in their reviews. The more robust the review, the better it serves your overall profile. So you may want to kind of give them a little bit of a wink or a nudge as they're leaving a review and say, hey, if you can share a little bit and then even post a photo of the work, that would help our profile out. So that's what happens there. The other option that Google gives you on that pop-up window is a QR code. From here, you can right-click and save that image of the QR code. That's handy sometimes to add to print materials you might be working on. Maybe you're working on a sign that you want to put out to leave a review, or you want to leave something at people's homes when you're done with service, like a business card or a postcard to leave a review. That would allow them to scan that QR code with a digital device like a phone, and then that same pop-up window will appear for them with the ability to leave a review right there from their device. So it's ultimately going to execute the same link from up here, just gives them another way of doing that through the QR code. If you want some more information or strategies on how you can get more Google reviews and or utilize Google reviews, there is an article on our website. Our website is cybersprout.net. The article is entitled How to Get Google Reviews for Local SEO Success. This article goes into more detail about strategies and ideas on how you can use your Google reviews.